In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on one-page Squarespace. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your site and you've opened the exact page where you want to preview and adjust the text size. Starting from that page helps you see your changes in context as you work. Look to the top right of the editor and open Site Styles. This is the design panel that controls how your site looks. You'll see options for colors, spacing, and most importantly for this tutorial, fonts. If you don't see the panel at first, make sure you're in edit mode on the page. Then open the styles panel from the toolbar. Inside Site Styles, find the fonts section and expand it by clicking the arrow next to fonts. This reveals your typography settings. Think of this area as the master control for how text behaves across the page you're previewing. You'll notice settings for headings, paragraphs, and other text elements, all of which are influenced by a single foundational value. Now locate base size. This is the root text size that everything else scales from. Increasing or decreasing the base size adjusts paragraph copy and proportionally scales headings and other text, keeping your type hierarchy balanced. Click the plus icon to increase the size. You'll see the change happen live on your page, which makes it easy to judge readability. Take it 1 or 2 clicks at a time, then pause and scan your content. Ask yourself if body text feels comfortable to read, and whether headings still stand out without overwhelming the layout. A quick tip: adjust with intention and keep accessibility in mind. Slight increases can make a big difference, especially for longer paragraphs. After each small change, scroll through the page to check different sections and blocks. If your template supports device previews, toggle to tablet and mobile views to ensure the new base size still reads clearly on smaller screens. Since base size acts as a scale, a minor tweak often improves legibility across all breakpoints without requiring separate adjustments. Remember that in many templates, base size is global. If you're aiming for a page-specific look, making the change while viewing that page lets you evaluate it in context, but be aware it may still affect other pages using the same styles. When in doubt, note your original value so you can revert if needed. That's it. By opening Site Styles, expanding fonts, and fine-tuning the base size with the plus icon, you can quickly dial in a clean, readable font size for the page you're working on. Take a moment to review and you're done.